Hi, and welcome to Building a Great Website with WordPress.com. My name is Marjorie, and I've been a happiness engineer at WordPress.com for over 5 years. I've helped thousands of small business owners, bloggers, and entrepreneurs plan, build, design, and launch their websites. Before I came to WordPress.com, I was a freelancer and small business owner for several years, helping my clients market their brand on the web. This is why I'm so excited to be working with Fiverr, because I truly believe that Fiverr is a fantastic platform for business owners to get all the services they need to build and grow their online presence, from WordPress site building through branding, content creation, and digital marketing. Now, one of the best things about WordPress.com is that you don't have to know programming in order to build a full-featured WordPress.com powered website. Whether you're a complete novice at building websites or you have some experience using either WordPress.com or another platform or software, this course is for you. Now, in this course, you'll learn the basic elements of a website, including content and design, how to craft a content strategy that specifically targets your customers, how to use WordPress.com's tools and analytics to optimize your site, and how to use applications called plugins to add more features to your website, such as an e-commerce store, a booking and scheduling tool, or even a whole social network and membership community. By the end of the course, you'll have built a full website, complete with a custom domain, content, images, videos, social sharing options, and built with search engine optimization and traffic in mind. So let's get started.